Ready to unlock next-level collaboration and skyrocket your team's productivity inside Follow Up Boss. Let's dive right into setting up a new team first. You'll need admin access once you're logged in. Head over to the admin section. Located in the top right-hand corner of your screen, you'll find it by clicking on your profile picture, then selecting admin. Now, in the admin menu, look for the Teams option. It's usually under the organization heading. Give that a click. This is where all the magic happens. On the Teams page, you'll see a button labeled Add Team or something similar. It's typically blue and located in the top right. Go ahead and click on it to start creating your new team. You'll now be presented with a form to fill out. Start by giving your team a descriptive name, something that clearly identifies its purpose or members. Next, assign a team leader. This person will have elevated permissions and oversee the team's activities. Now, let's talk about user roles and permissions. You can define specific roles within the team, such as agents, assistants, or transaction coordinators, and assign them varying levels of access to leads, data, and other resources. Carefully consider what each role needs to function effectively. Configure your lead distribution settings. Follow Up Boss offers several options, including round-robin, weighted distribution based on performance, or manual assignment. Choose the method that best suits your team's workflow and lead management strategy. After you've configured all the settings, save your new team. Now, you can begin adding members. Head back to the Teams page and select the team you just created. From there, you can add existing users to the team or invite new users to join your organization. And that's it. You've successfully created a new team in Follow Up Boss. This setup will empower your team to collaborate seamlessly, manage leads effectively, and ultimately close more deals. Go forth and conquer.